In this video, I'm going to show you how I took my dark level 2 client with really grown out roots into a light blonde shade using a Babylight Platinum Card technique. Now this video is a sneak peek to my in-depth tutorial that I have inside Hair B&B University, which I'll put the link down below in this description. And if you're new here to my channel, my name is Mirella Manelli. I'm a hair educator who loves helping hairstylists simplify their skills and business. But before we get started, please give this video a like, share it with a friend so we can get it to the right people. Now let's go ahead and get right into it. So this is my client. You can see she is a natural level 2 right at her base, and she's got lots of grown out highlights. Her previous stylist did a pretty good job of getting her pretty blonde, but what we were noticing here is that she was previously getting some color done, so a base break, and then adding the highlights on top. So we just kind of wanted to simplify her whole entire process, go in with something that was going to lighten her base and still keep her pretty blonde without having to do the base break and getting that kind of warm band that she was getting. I decided to go in with Alter Ego with 20 volume developer. I decided to go with this lightener mostly because I used it on my bleach lightener video, which if you haven't checked out any of those videos where I've tested over 50 or 60 bleach lighteners to date, you're going to want to go check those out. But this one just gave me such a great result on that test. So she's the first time I've used it on a person. I just wanted to see if the lift and the integrity was what I got with the swatch. And I thought she was the perfect candidate for this. Now I decided to go in with a Platinum Card Babylight. So what you're seeing here is me taking really thin slices. Now you can do a Babylight if you'd like. It just kind of depends. But for this application, because it was going to be so tedious, I decided to really just simplify it with the slices. This is going to overall give us a global brightness with very little hair in between. And then I also decided to do some tip outs. Now this ended up being more than just a highlight or a Platinum Card application. This was a color correction, and that's because after going through her entire hair, I just saw lots of bleed marks as well as spottiness going on. So what you'll see is throughout this entire application, I'm not only making sure to just apply the bleach lightener to that new growth, but I'm also meticulously weaving out a lot of those dark splotchy pieces. Her previous hairstylist did go in with some chunkier highlights, and my application, what we're trying to achieve here is something a lot more blended. So that way the grow out, even though we're going so blonde, is still a lot softer. These teasy lights are also a godsend because what this is going to do is give us a beautiful graduation from dark into light, as well as diffuse a lot of those chunky highlights that she had going on. And a lot of the dark low light that she had kind of pulled through, she just wasn't really vibing with that. She really wanted an overall kind of global blonde while still incorporating her natural dark hair. Now, because this application was so tedious, I did have to put a timer on for each quadrant because it did take me quite a bit of time to get in these foils. The overall application took me 2 hours from start to finish just for the foiling itself. So basically by the time I was done with the back and started in the front, I made sure to have timers for each of those sections and then started pulling out foils. This was super important because this was the first time I was using this bleach lightener, and everybody just kind of reacts differently to different bleach lighteners, and I wanted to make sure the integrity of her hair was the priority in this case. So here you can see the result of what it's looking like. You can see that dark into light. It's looking really beautiful, and I went ahead and finished out her application through the top and then started working through the sides. I decided to go in with the same application, and most of the foils that I'm doing in here are horizontal because I do want that blanket coverage. Again, I'm just meticulously going through and making sure to apply that bleach lightener right onto the root and just diffusing those chunky highlights. We kind of want to start to get rid of those. Now, one of the things that I love about this bleach lightener is it does stay exactly where you place it. And that's partly because the Alter Ego is a clay-based and charcoal-based lightener. So what made this so amazing is the fact that you can get really close to the root. It's not going to bleed, and the kind of charcoal base is also going to help cool out a lot of those warm tones, which was really kind of amazing for her hair type because, again, she's pretty dark. So I wanted to make sure I was using something that was going to aid me in the end result. Now, this was the part where I was starting to get a little sad because this entire look took me 7 hours from start to finish. So I knew I was not going to be able to beat the sun in the wintertime here in Southern California. So showing you the end result, I was a little bummed because I love taking outside natural
natural indirect light photos. But hopefully you can get the full impact of what I was trying to achieve with this entire application. Now, when she was done processing with each quadrant, I did go ahead and shampoo it out and added Olaplex number 2. And then once she was completely done, I finished up with a Color Melt Gloss Toner, processed her for a full 20 minutes so we could get maximum saturation. And here's a final result. Like I mentioned, we had to do in studio artificial lighting. I really wish I was able to do a full comparison of outdoor natural indirect lighting so you can get the full impact of the blend that we actually got on this natural level 2 hair. But I think we got a gorgeous blend that's going to last her for about 6 to 8 weeks, and I hope you love it as much as I do.
Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, and like always, you can find me on my other social channels like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, all under Mirella Manelli. And if you want more education, head on over to my site, morellamanelli.com, where you'll find all of the ways that you can work with me. And if you're a hairstylist looking to level up your skills and join an amazing community, you're going to want to check out Hair B&B University. It's where confidence behind the chair starts right here, and all you have to do to sign up is head on over to hairbnbuniversity.com and sign up. And like always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.